Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. And in today's video we're going to do something different. I'm going to actually do two locations in 2 different days, and today's assignment is to find you white bells or white bluebells. Now I'm at the location which I was at for my first video, so bear with me as I've got a little bit of a climb and it's a warm day. So I'll put you guys away, and when I get up there I'll get you back out again, so I'll see you in a little while. Wow, nearly at the top of the hill guys, so hopefully this is all going to be worth it, but I've still got to look round for the white bells, or the white bluebells as they're called, so stay with me and I'm pretty sure it's going to be worthwhile, so hang in there, although I'm nearly dying because it's hot. As you can see, I've made it to the top, so let the hunt begin. Oh, finally, after about half an hour walking around, I got no drink. What a div. I think I found what I've been looking for. I've searched long and hard for weeks about this, I've been in Bluebell Woods and not found one, but I found about 10, that's all, but it's good enough, so I'll show you. Right guys, here we have it. A great specimen. These other ones look like they're going back, so I think I've just arrived in time, thank goodness. So I'm going to take a couple of shots of this. It's not going to be great. I'm going to try it on a few different apertures. It's all about depth of field, that kind of stuff, but believe it or not, white bluebells, or white bells as they're called, there's only 1 in every 10,000. So for me to get this here for you today guys, although it's not in its fullest, has been well worth the effort. So I'll take a few shots.
I'm gonna go with these bluebells because they look really good.
FotoNube Junior on the glass, teaching the boy. That guys, it's fantastic. It's not all about the image again, it's all about finding something which you can't normally find. Excellent stuff. What I've noticed about this shot, I had a look on the back of the LCD, and because the sunlight's quite strong through there, on the back it's overexposed, so I'm going to try a shot now, and I'm going to purposely underexpose it to darken the background, and I think that'll make a much more pleasing shot, so let's try it. Fantastic, but always remember, bluebells are wildflowers and they're protected, so whatever you do, don't pick them and keep your dogs off them, please. That is a keeper. Just on this bush here has landed landed a red admiral, so I'm going to try and get a pic of it. Slowly goes. Guys, I hope you like the images from today. Really enjoyed myself. Just on my way back home now to get some refreshments, but I hope you like the images. I really think that the underexposed one really showed the glory of the white bell, and I think it's really nice. So roll on, day 2, and I'll explain a little bit more when I'm at my location tomorrow. So see you then, guys.